Central bank independence, why it matters for your wallet and our economy. When you think about central banks, you might picture big, imposing buildings or people in suits talking about interest rates. But behind the jargon and the formalities, central banks play a critical role in your everyday life. They keep inflation in check, ensure our money retains its value, and help economies weather storms. However, their ability to do all this hinges on one key factor: independence. Let's dive into why it's crucial to keep central banks free from political pressure and what it means for all of us. The challenges central banks face. Central banks around the world are under increasing pressure. In a year where half the global population is expected to vote, calls for interest rate cuts are growing louder, even if those cuts aren't entirely justified by the economic conditions. This push for lower rates can lead to a dangerous cycle of inflation and economic instability, especially if politicians influence central bank decisions. Central bank independence, a safeguard for stability. Why should you care? Well, consider what happened during the pandemic. Central banks worldwide played a crucial role in keeping the global economy from collapsing. They quickly eased monetary policies, providing the financial support needed to prevent a deeper crisis. Later, as inflation became a concern, they tightened policies to keep prices in check. This flexibility and effectiveness are largely due to their independence. Emerging markets, in particular, led the charge in taking early and decisive action to curb inflation, showcasing the benefits of having central banks that can make tough decisions without political interference. Their ability to act independently helped stabilize inflation and prevent a hard landing that could have caused widespread economic pain. Lessons from the past. If you're skeptical about the importance of central bank independence, just look back to the 1970s. During that decade of high inflation and economic turmoil, central banks often bowed to political pressure, resulting in erratic policies that caused more harm than good. It wasn't until the mid-1980s, when central banks gained more independence, that inflation came under control, leading to a more stable economic environment. The evidence for independence. Research supports the case for central bank independence. A study by the International Monetary Fund, IMF, examined dozens of central banks from 2007 to 2021. It found that those with strong independence were better at keeping inflation expectations in check, which is crucial for long-term economic stability. Another study looked at 17 Latin American central banks over the past century and found a clear link between independence and positive inflation outcomes. Earning trust in a democratic society. To wield the power that comes with independence, central banks must earn the public's trust. This requires strong governance, transparency, and accountability. Central banks must regularly explain their decisions and how they align with their legislative mandates. This openness ensures that people understand why central banks make certain choices and helps build public confidence. Legislators also play a role in maintaining central bank independence. They should set clear mandates that prioritize price stability and ensure central banks have control over their budgets and personnel. This way, central bankers can focus on their jobs without fear of political retribution. The bigger picture: fiscal responsibility and financial stability. Central bank independence isn't just about monetary policy, it also involves other parts of government. Fiscal policies should be prudent to avoid putting pressure on central banks to finance government spending, which can lead to inflation. A strong financial system is equally important, as it reduces the risk of a financial crisis that could force central banks to take actions contrary to their primary objectives. The IMF's role and the path forward. The IMF supports central bank independence and provides technical assistance to countries working to improve governance and legal frameworks. The fund also offers guidance on strengthening independence and transparency, recognizing that central bank independence is a key pillar of a stable economy. In the end, keeping central banks independent benefits everyone. It helps maintain price stability, supports consistent long-term growth, and reduces financial risks. By working together, central bankers, government leaders, and the public, we can ensure that central banks continue to play their vital role in safeguarding our economies. And that's not just good for the people in suits. It's good for you, me, and everyone else trying to make a living in a world that needs a steady economic hand at the helm. Like and subscribe.